Hi, welcome to Dynamic English Academy. Today we are going to learn how to use in, on, at for time expression. We use in, on, at for two purposes. One is for time expression and another one is for location or placement. In we use for parts of the day, like in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, or not for noon, or for weeks like first week, second week, last week, or months, June, July, September, Ramadan, Chait, Vaishakh, or any kind of tenure that covers a week or a month, or for a year like 2011, 1947. So any month or year we cover here. It means we need to add in before that. So you can say in July, in August, in 2011. But if you add dates with it, like 1st of June, 15th of August, then you cannot use in. You need to use on for that. Like on 1st of August, on 15th of July, we always use on for that. And also we use Sunday, Monday, like Sunday, or any day, maybe your date of birth, or maybe on the day of your marriage anniversary. Any kind of days or dates, we always use on before that. So you need to remember. And at is used for time. At 5 a.m. or at 9 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, at 12 o'clock, we always use at. And as I told you that we cannot use in with noon, we use at with noon, at noon, or at night. So remember, whenever you use any kind of time expression, we need to follow these: in July, on 15th of August, at 5 o'clock. These kind of time expressions we use with in, on, at. Thank you so much.